Where is everything in the universe going? And why that answer might be wilder than sci-fi. Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered, really wondered, what all those stars, galaxies, and cosmic mysteries are actually doing? Not just twinkling, not just sitting pretty for astronomers, but moving. Because here's the mind-blowing truth most people forget. Everything in the universe is on the move. You, me, Earth, the Sun, the Milky Way, even the empty space between galaxies is stretching like cosmic bubblegum. So really, where is everything in the universe going? And why does it feel like the more we learn, the less sense it all makes? Let's dive into the most surprising, hilarious, and strangely comforting journey through space you'll take today. The universe is not still, and neither are you. Picture this. You're sitting in your chair, scrolling through your phone, thinking you're perfectly still. Meanwhile, Earth is whipping around the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun itself is zooming around the center of the Milky Way at 514,000 miles per hour, and the Milky Way is racing toward another galaxy like it owes it money. If you tried to calculate how fast you're really moving right now, you'd make peace with your math teacher. But here's the fun part. Even with all this motion, we feel nothing. No wind in our face, no cosmic turbulence, just vibes. So, if we're moving this fast already, what does the rest of the universe look like? Curiosity trigger. What happens when not just planets or stars move, but space itself starts doing its own thing? Space isn't empty, it's expanding. Here's the plot twist. The universe isn't just objects moving through space. Space is moving too. Imagine drawing dots on a balloon. As you blow it up, the dots move apart, not because they're running away from each other, but because the balloon itself is stretching. That's our universe. Galaxies aren't flying apart like fireworks. They're being carried away by space expanding between them. Funny enough, if the universe were a kid's balloon, it would have popped a long time ago. But instead, it's expanding faster and faster, as if someone suddenly found the turbo button. Which raises the big question, curiosity trigger. What's powering this cosmic turbo mode, and should we be worried? The mysterious force called dark energy. If you expected a clear scientific explanation, sorry. Even scientists describe dark energy like, we don't know what it is, but it's definitely doing something. Dark energy is the invisible force stretching the universe, pushing galaxies farther apart at accelerating speed. It's like the universe is late for an appointment we don't know about. Some theories say it might grow stronger over time, it might weaken, it might suddenly reverse, or it might tear everything apart in an event called the Big Rip. Yes, that's the actual scientific name. Dramatic much? But before you panic, this won't happen for billions of years. By then, your phone battery will still somehow be at 5%. So, with dark energy pushing everything apart, where exactly is all this stuff going? Curiosity trigger. Is the universe expanding into something, or is it expanding as something?
The universe isn't expanded into space, it creates space. This might melt your brain a little, but it's worth it. We tend to imagine the universe floating in some giant empty box. But according to physics, the universe has no outside, no walls, no container. The universe expands into nothing, because outside doesn't exist. Space expands by creating more space. Distances stretch, time stretches, Even atoms themselves ride the cosmic escalator. It's like watching a video game map generate as you walk forward. So if the universe is expanding everywhere at once, what does that mean for the future? Curiosity trigger. Will everything drift so far apart that the night sky goes completely dark? The future sky, a quiet, lonely darkness. If cosmic expansion continues accelerating, galaxies outside our local group will move so far away that their light will never reach us again. Imagine looking up and seeing no galaxies, just blackness. Future astronomers, poor souls, will think the universe contains only a handful of stars. They'll never know the breathtaking beauty we see today. But here's the beautiful twist. We're living at the perfect time. Not too early when stars hadn't fully formed, not too late when everything is too far. We're right in the cosmic sweet spot, a moment where the universe is readable, visible, full of stories. Kind of poetic, right? Curiosity trigger. So is the universe expanding forever, or will it eventually stop? Where is everything really going? Scientists debate this constantly, but the three leading possibilities are: 1. The Big Freeze. The universe expands forever until everything becomes cold, dark, and silent. A cosmic freezer with no expiration date. The Big Crunch. Gravity eventually overpowers expansion, pulling everything back together. Basically, the universe presses the restart button. The Big Rip. Dark energy gets wild, rips space apart, then rips galaxies apart, then atoms. Let's hope this one's just sci-fi. But no matter the ending, one thing is clear. The universe is going somewhere, and taking us with it. Yet somehow, we get to exist here, right now, witnessing the journey. So, what does all this mean for us? Maybe nothing? Maybe everything. In a universe that's constantly moving, stretching, and reshaping itself, the only constant is curiosity. And the fact you're even reading about cosmic expansion means you're part of that tiny group of humans asking the big questions. Where is everything going? Where are we going? And how wild is it that we get to be here to ask it all? Pretty incredible. If this cosmic ride stretched your imagination, made you laugh, or gave you an existential headache in the best way possible, don't keep it to yourself. Drop a comment, share a thought. Tell someone else about this wild universe we're flying through. After all, we're all moving together. Might as well enjoy the journey.